If you want to know how to get free traffic from Facebook, then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so and hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss a video every time I upload one. I publish videos every week and I always create content that is going to help you make a success online. Now, this is video number 8 out of a series of 10 videos that I am making to teach you how to get free traffic from Facebook. By free traffic from Facebook, I basically mean how you can use your Facebook profile, your Facebook account to make money online. Now, as I have said in every video, this strategy only works if you implement all the steps. So if you have missed the first 7 videos, please make sure you go and check them out and you watch them. They're very short, but you need to watch each one of them for this strategy to work. Now, so far, I've shown you how to optimize your profile, how to post, how to get engagement, how to grow your following. And in this video, number 8, I am going to show you the tools that can basically help you automate a little bit of it and help you do all this a little bit faster. So let's go. Okay, so when you're using this Facebook method to attract people, right, and for your business, basically, it does help if you have a few tools that help you along the way, okay? It's not, you don't have to, but these, if you have a few tools that automate the process, then it is going to be a little bit easier for you, a little bit less time consuming. So I'm going to show you the 2 tools that I personally used. They are both paid tools. Then I'm going to show you a free tool that you can use. In fact, 2 free tools that you can use. And that's it. So let's dive into it. The first tool I use is Facebook Social Accelerator. Facebook Social Accelerator is a series of Chrome extensions and it allows you to automate quite a few bits of the process. I will show you what that looks like on my Facebook. So this is Facebook, okay? Because I have Facebook Social Accelerator, I have basically got a series of Chrome extensions. It allows me to scan through my friends very regularly and find out who is active, who is not. It allows me to message people automatically if I want to. I don't always do that. It also allows me to automate some bits of commenting on posts. I don't personally use it much, but there you go. It can really help. So really, as I said, what it looks like is a series of Chrome extensions that you've downloaded there. And you basically set them up and they work for you automatically, basically, once you've set them up correctly. It's fairly easy to navigate and it is a time saver, okay? That's Facebook Social Accelerator. There is a link, obviously, to this tool and to all the other tools that I'm telling you about in this video. Underneath this video, you can click the links and check them out for yourself. It basically explains to you what the tools are about, okay? So that's Facebook Social Accelerator. Another tool that I use, and this is my number 1 that I recommend, is Friend or Foe. Now, Friend or Foe, I'll show you, is this little extension here. And what Friend or Foe does is it sends a message automatically to people who are sending you friend requests, okay? So let's just say I have sent you a friend request because I've seen that you've added value in a group, you've commented, and I'm thinking, yeah, that person looks really helpful. I'd like to be friends with her. Maybe she can help me with my problem, or he can help me with my problem, right? So I send you a friend request, but you on your side receive this friend request and you have no idea where what I want. Do I want to ask you a question? Do I want to sell you something? Am I a kind of, I don't know, am I a stalker? Am I someone who
are my intentions good or not, right? So you can set up friend or foe is basically an extension that you set up to send automatic messages. So, you would, if you had friend or foe, you would have set up this extension. So it would send me an automatic message that you've planned beforehand that basically says, hey, hi, Sophie, thank you for your friend request. I don't know, where did you meet me? How can I help you? Or where did you see me on Facebook? And blah, blah, blah. You can write whatever you want in the message. And then that will basically discourage many scammers, right? Or spammers. But the genuine people who really want to connect with you will answer. They will answer. They will say, I saw you in that group. I could really do with some help with this. Or they will come out, right, and say that they have a product to sell or whatever. But it really helps. It's a massive time saver. Okay, so that is, you can click on the link as well to check friend or foe. But to me, if I had to choose one single extension, it would be that one. It's a massive time saver. I use it still now, even though I'm not actively doing the Facebook traffic, free traffic right now. Okay, so that's that. Then let's go on to some free extensions. Now, there is something, I've pulled it up here, called multiple tools for Facebook. So I don't personally use this tool because I have 2 paid tools. I don't need this, but I wanted to find something that's free just to recommend that to you. There's a link also below this video, okay, that you can click to access it. But basically, it allows you to do quite a few things as far as I can see. In particular, scan your Facebook profile, see who interacts with your profile, who's been to have a look at your posts, and who is active and who isn't. So that allows you basically to remove the inactive friends. So that's quite useful. It has a basic free plan, and as I can see, I'm not an affiliate for this product, but I can see that there are upgrades that give you, better versions, I guess, of it. I don't know much about this, but basically, really feel free to check this out. I mean, it's got quite good reviews, so there you go. So the advantage of this is it's free. I will add that the other 2 paid tools that I've recommended all come with a free trial period. Okay, so you can click the link, try them out, and if you don't want them, you just don't go on to the paid version. Okay. And then there's another extension that I wanted to recommend that's also free, but that I've discovered only very recently, and it's called Fill Your Funnel. And this is a little bit different in the way it helps you. Well, it's actually quite different in the way it helps you, but Fill Your Funnel allows you to screenshot some posts that when you're scrolling down on Facebook, if you see a post, you think, yeah, that's a good post. They're making a good point. And then, more often than not, when that happens, if I just continue scrolling down, I'll forget, right? And then when I'm faced with having to post something on my Facebook, I'm like scratching my head. What am I going to write about, right? So Fill Your Funnel allows you to basically screenshot good posts that you like, that you find, give you good ideas, and keep them in a kind of database. Then when you're stuck for ideas, or when you're planning what to post, either in your Facebook group or on your Facebook wall, then you can go back to it for ideas. Now, obviously, please, I want to make it clear, never ever just copy word for word a post from somebody else. But use posts for inspiration, but rewrite them in your own words. Unless somebody tells you, yeah, go ahead, copy and paste my post as your own, unless someone actually tells you can do that, please never do that. There's nothing worse than you taking time with writing a really good post, and then suddenly you're scrolling down and you see somebody's just copied and pasted it, and they make it look as if they're it's their own. That's absolutely horrible. It's bad practice. If you're at school and you do that, you sort of face, detention or even expulsion, being expelled. You just don't do that. You do not steal other people's content. So the purpose of Fill Your Funnel, this extension, is not to steal people's content. It's more to store them somewhere, to store ideas somewhere, basically, so that you can use these ideas and create then your own content. There is no original content, really. We always rewriting content and things that have already been written or produced somewhere else, right? But we put it in our own words and we put our own spin on it. So these are the 4 extensions that I recommend. As I say, there's a link below the video to each of them. That way you can click the links easily and check them out. I hope they help.
So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel. Before you go, wait a second. Remember, this was video number 8 in a series of 10 videos. I release a new video every Monday. So video number 9 will be released next Monday. Stay tuned for that, because this Facebook free marketing strategy only works if you have all the pieces of the puzzle. It's not complicated, it's simple, but you do need to implement all the steps, otherwise it will not work. So if you've missed the first videos, please go back to my channel, watch those, and as I said, stay tuned for video number 9 released next Monday. In the meantime, if you have any questions, post them in the comments below. If you need any help, or click the link in the pinned comment below this video. Click the link to join my Facebook group. I'm in my Facebook group every single day and I will help you out in there. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next Monday for video number 9.